Hello beautiful people. Today we discuss about Kurtuluş Osman. Kurtuluş Osman is a Turkish epic historical television series. The first season of the series made its debut entry into the television entertainment industry on 20th November 2019. The first season of the series consists of 27 episodes. Each episode has a runtime of around 120 minutes, holding more than million active viewers. It based on the positive response from the entertainment critics. Development has shown some positive signs towards the second season of the series. Many might have already known the fact that Turkish drama have a huge audience base as around the world from the different countries. In this video, I will discuss Kurtuluş Osman Season 2 release date and all you need to know. Kurtuluş Osman Season 2 release date. Kurtuluş Osman Season 2 will start streaming online on Wednesday, November 4, 2020 per sources. The vast majority of rumors and fan theories about the release date of Season 2 suggest a release date in the final week of November or the first week of December, roughly the same time pattern or time frame for the Season 1. However, Netflix have Season 2 Episode 1 as premiering on Wednesday, November 4. This has been somewhat added to or by other sources who claim that the first 4 episodes will release on the following schedule: Episode 1 on November 4, Episode 2 on November 11, Episode 3 on November 18, and Episode 4 on November 25. The official trailer for Season 2 of Kurtuluş Osman will be released on November 1 per sources. According to multiple sources, there are a host of new characters that will be coming in Season 2 of Kurtuluş Osman, including Bahadur's uncle and Gehatu, the Mongolian commander. Otherwise, we expect that the majority of the original cast from Season 1 will be making a return for the second season, with appearances from Savcı, Roshan Alp, and Ertuğrul. There are also rumors that Hayma Ana will make a return, although many fans presume that she is dead at this point in the story. At the time of writing, there is no official information or leaks from the production teams as to what the storyline for Season 2 will be. That being said, we can expect the plot to directly follow that of Season 1. However, if the rumors are true and we do see an introduction of Gehatu, I expect the storyline to follow his relationship with Osman, with a few major battles along the way. We don't have any official announcement about the Kurtuluş Osman Season 2 release date. Many more have come across the rumors that have been prominent in the social media from the last few days. This information is based from the leaks and rumors. It's evident that development is analyzing the budget for creating the second season of the series. For those who have followed the first season of the series might have got the glimpses of an idea about the financial cost involved in recreating the story based on ancient history. It's expected that the development progress of the series might get a kickstart later this year if renewed. The environment for creating the second season of the series looks quite hard in recent days. If the second season of the series gets renewed, fans can enjoy the series through Turkish television local network ATV, similar to the first season of the series. It's also been rumored that second season of the series might be released through online video streaming platforms for reaching the maximum extent of audience. These are the information related to the release date and streaming details of Kurtuluş Osman Season 2. However, we will keep you updated once the announcement drops from the development. Kurtuluş Osman Season 2 plot details. We don't have any confirmation about the details of Kurtuluş Osman Season 2. Many might have known the fact that the details of the series will be revealed only a few days before the actual release date. Development won't reveal the detail much more before the scheduled date, with an intention to hold the curiosity of the audience. We need to wait for some time to the official confirmation about the plot details of the series. Thank you beautiful people for watching our videos. For more updates, stay tuned with us.